down.
Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Kia ora watu koutou katoa nei rata mihi kia koutou. It's great to be here on Whakatūi Māori as we bring you the big final from this celebration of secondary school rugby. Ko Dale Tēnei, we speak. But the Mātakitaki Cup is an important one. We're underway. It's finals day here in the Manawatu. And it's the boys from Te Tauhi who have first dibs on the football. Expect them just to lock it up nice and tight as they get themselves established and find their feet. But certainly, they can't afford to make errors, and that will be important discipline that they display early on. There'll be a kicking game, and a strong kicking game will be required. And so they're well-drilled squads. And we're in for a humdinger, climbing high, and well, it's Alex Arnold. Look at the drive coming in here from Hamilton boys. The push is on, and at the back, I think it's Tom Martin who's got hold of the football at the moment. And the half is steering them around, Swan, saying, come on, boys, there, onto the Waikato Expressway. You can do 110, he says, and away they go. They've got hold of the football here. Let's see how they control it. Pushing out to the left. Oh, high ball, nicely taken as well by Guerin. Guerin's into the hole. Guerin is around, and it's Hamilton boys who draw first blood, scoring underneath the crossbar. Still with the ball, Nelson. The big guys want to work it through as they grind at the moment. They'll shuffle it across. Here's Inch. Here's the cutout ball. Looking for the wing on the far side. It's the fullback, Grayton. Grafton who comes in with the football. So with the chance, need to steady themselves. This is Takapu. Inch again. Wrapped up in the tackle of Luke Hills, who puts him away. Flanker work here for Somaki. Keeping it alive, stepping back on the inside. This time it's Morrison. Out goes the ball, lovely hands as well from Connor Hume. Over the top from Hume, the dive for the corner, and it's Jimmy West.
As you said, Dad, with Waitai Hainga coming back, trying to nudge his forwards forward, but Nelson, great effort in keeping them out.
When you're under pressure, what you need is one man to say, give us the ball, I'll have a go. And Harry Inch says, I'll go too. Inch, perfect. Inch, perfect. Down the side they come. Wheels, man, wheels. Mikey Morrison with the football. Mikey Morrison does the bizzo.
Mau te korero e papa e teo.
We're our proud rohi. And so they're out doing their utmost here today. Long way to go in this one, though. We're Huama, 14 to play in the first half. You're watching Hamilton boys and Nelson College battling it out here in the Manawatu.
Hey, they did it up against not only Kirikiriroa, but also Tawhiri Mātia. The wind is at the backs of Hamilton, and we saw that with that early downtown punt that nearly resulted in a 50-22, which it did. So in the second half, they've got an opportunity to have the wind to support them as well, but Hamilton are in the right end of the field at the moment. And
that's Brotherway who takes it forward inside the 22, 5 in from the broadcast side here at CT Manawatu Stadium as Van der Hayden sets them up. Now they can't rest on their laurels. The try scorers, that's been touched back again to Guerin. He's muscled to ground in the tackle of the try scorer Morrison. And still coming at them, Van der Hayden. He's just 5 metres away from the try line. Mitch Swan, he can trust in his players as Alex Arnold gets hold of the ball, and it's Jake Raybart's at the back, pushing him across too. Hope you're enjoying it at home too through Whakatūi Māori and our socials as well, as we see once again Hamilton. Look at that cutout ball. Confidence is starting to build. Down the short side, Cutter was waiting. Not utilised this time as Brotherway goes to ground. And this one has been tapped back on the inside, keeping it alive in the best possible way as Dallas Ratamakine puts the ball deep on the far side of the field. And playing at it eventually is Michael De Beer, but he stepped in the touch.
Oh, man. Dan, I'll tell you what, the Hamilton in this first half, their kicking game has been outstanding.
Mitch Swan calling from it. He wants his forwards just to do the hard graft. Here's Luke Hill, says, well, I'm your man for that job. Boom, he goes straight up into the middle. Swan keeping it alive. Out they come now as the confidence builds out wide and into the hands of Maxwell Cutter. He gets swarmed by the blue and black jerseys of Nelson, who have forced a turnover as well. And that is just so important. That touch finder that went down 40, 50 metres on the far side of the field. Are really punching the guts as a penalty. And of course the drive needed to lock it up when it's the right thing to do. You can play expansive.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this New Zealand Barbarians National First 15 Championships.
Tuckapoo on the drive, repelled in the tackle of Tom Martin. Still alive, answering or asking plenty of questions here at the moment. Nelson flick ball out the right edge as well, but bundled into touch in the corner. Whakatūi Sports on screen. But we're really pleased that you're watching it today and certainly wishing you well. As you two support Rangatahi Sport. Oh, wheel it up, Ollie! Wheel it up, Ollie Guerin! Go, boy, go! Inside he comes. Dallas Rata Makene puts the icing on the long-range cake.
Ollie, Ollie, Ollie.
Oi, oi, oi. De Beer, that is. But they're still rolling on, the boys in blue on the far side of the field. Back it comes for Gibbons, and in they come, bowling towards the line. Beautiful for Horncastle. Did he get it down? The referee says no.
But hey, we're here. See what they've got.
Young blokes that want to make a statement. They want to make a statement. He reaches out. I think he's lost it.
Ooh.
The boot of Guerin.
Hidaka Waitahainga gets into the D. Again, out to Inch, waits the pass beautifully and finds Mikey Morrison once again. Oh, Morrison. Oh, I'm loving him almost as much as Sir Howard. Look at him go. Back it comes into the hands of Botha. Christian Botha rolling as they push towards the line. In comes Tuckapoo, he's over. Mums, dads, koros, nannies. Make sure you're getting out and walking. Eating well and having fun with the mokopuna tamariki. That's what life's all about, keeping active right the whole way through as they still keep rolling towards the line.
The whole bench is saying, kick it
Hamilton
up, but these guys,
School.
they want more.
Hey, here they come. Oh, still on the push, the big fellas are coming at it.
Droppy.
Signs out, balls out, hands are up. Hamilton win this one down in the Manawatu, and they are the champions here. What a day, what a game.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Whakaramo and you know.